Така и овој пат, каде ако некој музичка да емисија Hardnet, и овој пат имаме нов соговорник, односно соговорници кои доаѓаат од сите американски држави, стана збор за култен деш метал бенд кои се брзо самите и се представат, значи кога се добене култниот басист кој беше по Anthrax, со метал пота, со Killer Song, кога бе премногу млад. First, welcome and represent for my TV show Hard and Heavy.
Fuck yeah, man. Fucking right.
Hello. Fucking hard and heavy.
It started when we were younger. The code band Anthrax from the first album, Physical Metal. And after you go away in the format Nuclear Assault, you have a many cool band format. Respect because I'm very young and listening to music. Respect and grown up with your music.
Well, I hope that I helped your upbringing. I don't know what to say.
I hope your music has grown up along with it.
Yes.
How to be after Anthrax? You had a Nuclear Assault and for your career and the
Well, I was asked to leave Anthrax, so I had to start another band, and I still wanted to play thrash metal. I did that for a while, and then a couple of the guys in Anthrax asked me to get an SOD, so this was just fun. With Billy Milano. We had no idea that was going to blow up and be tremendous. We did it for a joke. And then, in the late 80s, I started getting into death metal and grind. And I just followed my heart, and I wanted to play something more intense, and that's where I am today.
But what do you started the work with Nuclear Assault and don't exist now, Nuclear Assault? Maybe you are later reunion, just like Pride and others?
Well, there was, the band was active again from about 2002 until last year. And now it's Nuclear Assault kind of went down again. You know, our drummer's getting too old to play this, and it's easier for me to concentrate on all. I'm still like 3 or 4 minutes.
What's that, like 72 now?
But you have energy. Now you have very brutal skill. You have energy. Now the work, the new material, you have a new album, maybe.
So where do I find the energy?
Yeah.
Question.
Good, yeah. Wow.
It's the opposite for us. No, it's natural. I don't think about it like, oh, I'm fucking old, I have to retire, I'm too old to play this music. I'll stop playing this music when I can't play it physically anymore. It's understandable. It's natural for most people. They get older, they get more mellow, and that doesn't work for me.
Yeah.
Doesn't work for him.
It's more intense, man.
Yeah.
Tell me for now for your band, what is the plan in the future? We have a great show to see in the next stage. Amazing.
It's a good show for us as well, man.
We enjoyed the show very much. This is the first Little Feud show in Slovenia ever.
Yeah.
So we hope we made a good impression. And as far as plans in general, we've been writing music. Why don't you tell them about the splits we have?
We have 2 split 7-inch, two split albums with Bastard Noise, band from California. One of the split albums is going to be Holy Noise, you know, and the other split album is going to be Grind and Metal. So the Noise split is already recorded and done with. We have 14 new songs. Kevin's almost finished with the vocals, and that will be the Grind split with Bastard Noise. We played one song tonight, one of the new songs. They're very new. And then we also have 6 or 7 newer, not songs yet, but downloads of songs that will be on the next full-length album.
The guitar player and me both have studios and all this is a little more elaborate write songs, just live in different cities. If I write a song, then I'm programming some drums so I can show him my idea. And then every 3 and go, hey, listen to this. And
Then we make demos and send them back.
so they can change it if they want and say, hey, this is part sucks. Do this. You know, it's like,
We work very well. We've got a lot of good songs written.
Maybe the brutal tune, the one recording the DVD, like for
well, we did. We have a DVD from the Insane Extreme Festival in the Czech Republic. We played in 2007 there. It's called For the Ugly and Unwanted. This is Grindcore.
I think after the next full length comes out, we'll have another one now. Just to get the new songs out there more.
Yeah, with DVDs these days you have to have high quality video. You can't put out some 1980s shaky shit, you know.
Yeah.
Because before cameras HD, you know, so you have to really arrange this.
There's a lot of good Brutal Truth videos, high quality videos, but they're all just posted online on YouTube, you know?
Yeah. So you're kind of a rip-off.
Yeah.
You charge people money.
now maybe you're working for the new material, new album for another label and you have a label.
We really can't.
No comment.
Yeah. There's possibilities that we can't discuss yet.
We just write the music, you know, and the business is going to take care of itself, you know.
When we can talk about it, then we will have enough music. We're writing the music, and then whatever happens, if it happens with it, it will happen.
Yeah, we have all of it.
Many people say Steve Harris, the best bassist in the heavy metal. You're the best bassist in death metal.
Me? Oh no, Alex Webster is much better. Yeah. I just make a lot of fast noise. But thanks.
And what would you like to say for the end for having the show for Macedonian fans?
Stay fucking loud!